All right, students, we're going to go ahead and work on example 1B from lesson 3.3, modeling with functions. In this example, they give us a scenario. You need to read it all the way through without stopping. Go ahead and hit pause and read it. And once you read it, what I'd like you to do is try to pull out the information, write it on the side like we normally do. And let's see if we can make sense of this whole thing. So you walk into a carnival. Just to walk in, you pay $9. Each ride is $1.75. How much does it cost to go to the carnival? And then how much does it cost you to do 12 rides? So what happens if we never walk into the carnival? All right, you never spend any money. So what happens if you walk into the carnival and you decide you don't want to ride any rides? Well, in that example, you'll just have to pay how much? Exactly, it's just $9, that's it. Now, what happens if you want to walk into the carnival, ride one ride, and then leave? How much total money did you just put out? Well, you walked in, you paid your $9, and you're paying $1.75 per ride. Now, notice they want you to use the letter R for ride. All right, so in this example right here, if I just want to ride one ride, it'd be $9 plus $1.75 for a total of $10.75. So if that's the case, then we could assume that it would look like this. Y equals 1.75x plus 9. But remember, we don't want to use x. We want it to be a function notation. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, change it, and this, and change it. All right, so here we go. What is the dependent and what is independent? Okay, so the total cost of going to the carnival depends on the what? Well, looks like it's going to be number of rides plus $9. So which one's dependent? Which one will not happen unless something else happens? Well, again, just think about it. If I never walk into the carnival, do I ever pay any money? So you fill these out and then go ahead, put me on pause, fill them out, and then come back. Okay, so total cost depends on what? All right. So in this example, we're going to let R represent what? What does R represent? Well, R is going to represent the number of rides. Now I'm starting right here, okay? The function for the total cost of the carnival is f of R. We just took this, we erased it, we put f of R. So that means we're going to take this x and replace it with this r, and we're going to get this thing right here. So it's going to be 1.75 r plus 9. All right, the power of function notation is you can focus on one thing at a time, specifically one thing. So what we're going to do right now, and I hope I could make this make sense, okay, I have f of, and I'm going to change my R and put it in this color. R is equal to 1.75 R plus 9. So basically, here's how function notation works. If I want to specifically only look at an R of 12, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this one and this one with the number I am interested in. So instead of being f of R, now it's going to be f of 12. Well, if I'm going to do that, then inside this part of the equation, where it says 1.75 plus 9, then I also have to replace this with 12. All right, now pick up a calculator, do the math. Go ahead and put me on pause, plug in the correct numbers, and see if you can answer the last 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. So here we go. We plugged in 12. Okay, 175 times 12 plus 9 equals a total of 30. So basically what we're saying is it's going to cost us $30 to go to the carnival and go on a total of 12 rides. All right, hopefully this made sense. Go ahead and do the your turn. And if you have any questions or concerns, send me an email. Bye.